In this week's episode, Chris finds Alice's Wonderland in the park. We have to take a drive in North Scottsdale for one of my doctor's appointments. We're thinking that the Elks would be a good fit for us.
How do we get so lucky? It's just grand. Now, like I said earlier, we're at Monte Vista RV Resort. And this is our rig. Grizzy and I just walked through the grand ballroom. And it's pretty well decorated up. Shelly's in for a doctor's appointment.
And Chris gets a close look at an old skylark. It's beautiful.
It's Sunday morning and it's beautiful out. We've been here for just about a week. And it's just been wonderful. We're seeing our friends that have been gone all summer. Can't blame them for that. Wow, and a Prevost too. Nice. Want to see something beautiful? Look at this old skylark. Such a beautiful morning at Monte Vista. Beautiful looking rig. Beautiful looking sunrise. How do we get so lucky? It's just grand. Now, like I said earlier, we're at Monte Vista RV Resort. And this is our rig. Back up a little bit here if I don't trip over Grizzly. And show you the corner lot that we're on. It's pretty nice. Nobody on this side to pester us. Hardly ever any traffic down this particular street. Although as more people start coming into the park, I'm sure it's going to get a little more exciting. But the RV is parked comfortably. We got dishy up. We got everything working the way we want. And it's still not that busy here at the resort. So we have all the amenities almost pretty much to ourselves. But it works out just super. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about our outdoor kitchen. Once we've got it set up, it is so nice. Grizzy and I just walked through the grand ballroom, and it's pretty well decorated up for Halloween. Let me show you some more of the stuff that's going on here. I mean, all of the tables. Filled with toadstools, playing cards, cats in the hats, and some amazing table dressings. It's Sunday morning and it's beautiful out. We've been here for just about a week and it's just been wonderful. We're seeing our friends that have been gone all summer. Can't blame them for that. Back into the park now. It was pretty interesting. There was a line of RVs all the way down Stephen Pollard and almost out into the main street, Ellsworth. We got to see Paul and Jeff, several other people that we know, and it's good to see him again. Paul had a good talk with me about joining the Elks, so I think I might do that. I really like what they stand for and what they do, and I'm looking forward to exploring the idea a whole lot more. I'm so glad you guys have come along with us, and we're having a blast. It's quite a bit cooler now. I'm actually wearing a little hoodie underneath my puffy, just in case. But it's been a good day. I'm feeling really pretty decent now. So I'll talk to you guys a little later.
Hey Insiders, we have a new trial member. We'll see if they become a full member in 7 days. We'll keep you posted.
It's early in the morning. The sun isn't even up yet, but this camera does pretty good, huh? Grizz and I are on our way this morning to do our little workouts, and we've got a couple of honeydews to do after we get back. Pharmacy, pick up some meds for Shelly, and I think there's a couple for me too. And then when we get done with this, Grizz is going to work on his fetching, and he's going to work on his recalls again. So we'll spend the morning out and about for a little while, and then we'll head back and see Mama. It's so beautiful out. Now take a look at this. That is so amazing. And the sun isn't even there yet. How awesome. Okay, that is one long rig. Interesting idea for applying cones. Kind of lured people away from it. That little boy could do some serious damage. But more power to him. Wonder what he was towing on it. Wow, and a Prevost too. Nice. Want to see something beautiful? Look at this old Skylark. Someone spent some serious time working hard. How beautiful. What an amazing old car. And a convertible, no less.
Thanks to everyone for being a part of this channel. We hope to see you all again next Sunday at 5 p.m. Arizona time. So until then, please travel safe.